Welcome to the future of education. At Nischals, we're revolutionizing the way students learn by simplifying education and making it fun. Introducing Nischals Excellence Program for students in primary school with the world's first VR-powered 3D eBooks. Designed for grades 1 to 5, our program features eBooks that transform traditional math and environmental science lessons into dynamic, interactive experiences. The Excellence Program, focusing on real-world applications across disciplines, ushers in a fresh and impactful way of learning for young minds. Imagine your child walking through ancient monuments or exploring the wonders of the cosmos, all from the comfort of their classroom or home. With over 1,000 immersive simulations and 100 fun games, learning becomes an exciting adventure. Each ebook is paired with beautifully illustrated textbooks that deepen understanding and engagement. Our mathematics ebook focuses on developing critical thinking skills through 100+ interactive tools, including quizzes, puzzles, and observation games for IQ development. This innovative approach boosts concentration and problem-solving abilities in young learners. The environmental science ebook allows students to explore ecosystems and historical contexts like never before, encapsulating topics related to science, geography, and history. For the first time, they can engage with interactive simulations that visualize environmental systems and historical landmarks. With AI-powered adaptive learning, quizzes are customized based on each student's progress, ensuring personalized challenges that cater to their unique needs. After 3 years of research with a leading animation studio from Europe, these VR-powered 3D ebooks are not only visually stunning but also built on strong pedagogical foundations. They align with international and Indian curricula, including CBSE, ICSE, IGCSE, IB, and various state boards. These ebooks can be accessed via VR headsets for a fully immersive experience or through standard video playback. With note-taking tools, search functions, and downloadable content for offline use, they provide a comprehensive solution for both teachers and learners. Experience a true game-changer in primary education, offering a holistic and immersive learning journey. Visit our website to learn more and give your child the gift of a brighter future.